To add alt text to an image in Wix 2023. Start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for your website. Once you are in the editor, click on the image you want to add alt text to. This will open the image settings panel on the right side of the screen. In the image settings panel, scroll down to the advanced settings section. Here, you will find the alt text field, which is where you will enter your alt text. Alt text, also known as alternative text, is a description of the image that is displayed when the image cannot be loaded. And it is also used by search engines to understand the content of the image. When writing your alt text, be sure to keep it concise and descriptive. A good rule of thumb is to keep your alt text under 125 characters. This will ensure that it is displayed correctly on all devices and browsers. For example, if you have an image of a cat, your alt text could be cat sitting on a couch. After you have entered your alt text, click Apply to save your changes. You can then click on the Preview button to see how your alt text will be displayed. It is also a good idea to test your alt text on different devices and browsers to ensure that it is displayed correctly. Adding alt text to your images is an important step in making your website more accessible and improving your search engine optimization. By following these steps, you can easily add alt text to your images in Wix and improve the overall user experience of your website. Remember to keep your alt text concise and descriptive, and to test it on different devices and browsers to ensure that it is displayed correctly.